So hello everyone, in this video we are going to see Shadcn UI. So in the Google I just search Shadcn and I'm going to click this first link. So this is the official website ui.shadcn.com. So in the home page bottom you can see there are some of the example. They have built some kind of tools using this Shadcn UI dashboard. So if you take a look on the dashboard, so this is a minimalistic super design. For my opinion, I love this UI so much, right? Just click this playground. So some of you guys familiar with this kind of playgrounds, right? This is OpenAI playground, and I'm going to turn this one into the light mode. So make sure to wear the sunglasses. The music players and tasks, right? A lot of things, right? So and just click this themes option. So you can customize the themes in the themes page. So once you customize, you can able to see the immediate preview, right? So if you click the customize button, there are a lot of colors and there are two different styles. One is default, another one is a neo. So if you take a look on the default, right, this is kind of a big, but this is a bit smaller than the default style. For my opinion, I like this New York one. And after that, the radius, you can see this currently the radius is 0.5. So I just select the 1.0. Immediately we can able to see the response. At the same time, we can able to see how it's look like in the dark mode, at the same time in the light mode. I just keep it as in dark mode, and that's all. So without further ado, just click that docs. Okay, I'm going to the VS Code. So I just open this new terminal. So introduction. So I'm just click the installation. In the installation, so you guys see we need to select the frameworks, right? So first Sachi and available for these 7 kind of frameworks. You can use whatever you want, but in this case I'm going to use the Next.js. This is a popular one to build the web application. In case if you choose any of the frameworks like Laravel or whatever, they have provided all the steps how you want to do that. So in my case I just click the Next.js. So this is a command for creating the Next.js project. I'm going to explain this command. Nbx create next app at latest, the latest version. This my dash app is a app name. So and the language is a TypeScript, right? So TypeScript is built on top of the JavaScript and Tailwind. So Tailwind CSS is a utility class for the CSS. This is not a replacement for the CSS. This is a CSS, but it's framework and the ESLint. So this will help during the development time to show the warning. And just copy this one. This is for just creating the project in the Tailwind CSS and the mentioned things, right? So I just go here and I need to paste this command, but in my PC having some issue, so I need to type sudo. So I just hit enter. So it's asking some questions. I want to press yes and again about yes, and it's asking would you like to customize the default import alias? No. So it's installing all the components which is necessary to build the applications. And one thing I forgot to do that. So if you wish, you can change the app name. My dash app, I like to name that using this YouTube channel name PMS tutorial or something like that, but I forgot it. Okay, let's see. So okay guys, our project got created. So I just type ls mean listing the thing. So my app, I am out of the directory. So I'm going to move the directory inside cd and m and just press the tab. Okay, now I am inside the directory. You guys see I just expanded node modules public, right? So to run this project I need to use just go to this package.json and see in that script, right? So dev script, right? Next dev. So if I type npm run, then the script name, so in this case the script name is dev. So I can type like this. Yeah, if you hit enter that will work. For my PC I'm having some issue, so I need to type sudo and yeah. So currently localhost 3000 is working. So I'm going to here and type localhost 3000. I just hit enter. Okay, so this is the welcome page for the empty Next.js project. And that's all. I'm going to the Shadcn UI. Now I need to run this command npx Shadcn UI add latest space init. So I just copy and I am pressing this npm. So here I just stop this project and I just type sudo and paste it. If you are a beginner, you might confuse why I am using the sudo. So in my PC I'm having some issue, like, so in the Mac it's some issues, I can't figure it out what is exactly. So every time it's asking permission denied, so I try several methods but none of them working. So because of that I'm using the sudo. That's all, you no need to use. Again I mentioned you guys, if you are beginner, don't need to use sudo, right? So you can directly type, just copy and paste it, right? That's all. I just hit enter. Okay, so default and New York, you might heard this term. So just go to this one and click this themes in the controller command that will open in the new tab. So you guys see, like, if you click the customizable, it's asking default or New York. So I already mentioned, so I like to use the New York one. I just select and hit enter. It's a base color, right? For me, I like to use this first slate, right? So I just hit enter. And would you like to use CSS variable for colors? Absolutely, yes. Okay, so you guys see, like, some of the dependencies could modify, right? Using the colors you can see, right? And okay, I just expand the structure and the app, right? So this is the place we need to add all of the Next.js pages. So as of now, the components is empty. So I just run this project again. Sudo npm run dev. I just hit enter. Okay, now I am going to the application and refresh it. So you guys see now our UI look like different. That's because we initialize the Shadcn, right? So that Shadcn apply theme to the application. So you guys see, as of now, nothing in the components. So actually, what is Shadcn, right? So if you click this introduction, so beautifully designed components that you can copy and paste in your application. So this is not a component library. It's a collection of reusable components that you can copy and paste in your application. So I just click the component. So I will show some demo, then you will get the understanding about this Shadcn UI. Now go to page.tsx and delete the unnecessary command. I am going to delete every tag other than the main, right? So flags, okay, item center, justify between, okay, padding, okay, that seems good. So you can see, like, I haven't used this image. I'm deleting this one. So I deleted everything inside the main tag and I'm going to refresh this page. So it's empty, so it's good to go. So I'm going to this Shadcn. So here I'm going to use button first, right? So this is a easy component button. So here if you go to this button, so they have mentioned the installation process, right? So we need to use this command, or we can manually we can do it. I just copy this one and I just click npm. I'm going to stop this server and I just sudo and paste it. I just hit enter. Okay, now you guys see inside these components, like, there's another folder created that's called UI. Under the UI, button.txs got created. So you guys see this is button.tsx, right? I just close this one. So here I'm going to use the button. So again I need to confirm this one. This is coming from the component slash UI.button. So it's got imported. In the tag I'm going to name this one as hello. Button got created. So the another thing I need to show you guys, like, if you go to the button, so there are some of the examples. So the button which we created, I hope that is primary button, right? So if you select the secondary, that's a different one. So outline, that is so different. Likewise the icon and the icon button. So I just going to click this outline. So I like this outline so much. So in order to use this outline, just click the code. You guys see in the button the variant is the outline. So everything is similar other than this variant. So I just go here and I just paste the variant outline. So now I'm going to this application. You guys see this got changed as outline. Okay, so now I'm going to the Shadcn and this is a basic example, guys. So let's see some other example, like interactive, I think, toggle toast. Yeah, just click the toast. So those who don't know about toast, like, just click this add calendar. You guys see I got one message, schedule blah blah blah, right? So if you, this is a toast message, guys. So let's see how we can implement in this one in the our application. Again I'm click the installation. So I just copy this one and npm. I stop this server and I'm going to install this one. Hit enter. Okay, so now you guys see under the UI So there's a three components got imported: toast, toaster, and use toast. So these two are like components. tsx, this is a file, typescript file. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this toast here. So to use the toast message, they have mentioned the example here. Yeah, we will follow this example. Okay, so we need to use this one. We need to import, right? Without importing, I'm going to copy this one and paste it, and like our application by default is asking to import, right? So I just click here and add import from UI/use toast. But we need to show the toast message somewhere else. So because of that, we need this toaster. I just copy this one and I just put under this. Let me do like this. I will create a div. Inside the div, I just paste the toaster, and I need to copy that button as well, and I paste it. So I have an import this toaster. I just click here and add import from, yeah, components. I just right click and format the document. So it's good formatted. So now I'm going to create this one click. Okay, so yeah, better to copy the code and paste it. So okay, yeah, I'm going to copy this code, okay, and paste it here. Okay, so it's running currently. So I'm going to this application. I just click here. Okay, so it's not working. So it's saying unhandled runtime error. Use state only works in client component. Okay, I forgot to mention one thing, guys. So if you are using other framework, you will not get any of the error. But in Next.js, so by default, every component is a server component. But if you are using any of the client component, actually this is a client component. So in order to use the client component, in the top of the file, we need to mention use client. So if you use this command, you can see errors goes, right? So I just click hello. You guys see schedule catch up. So the pop-up message. So toast message is working. So I mean, at the same time, toast have some other types. I mean, with title, yeah, this is the one we got it. With action, I think this is with the button, right? So and the destructive, I think the error message. Let's see. Yeah, the error message. So okay, now I'm going to this stop. So I just click the dark mode. First we work with the dark mode. So I'm going to click the Next.js. Okay, so I'm going to install these things. I just copy and I just click npm. I just stop the server, sudo, and paste it, hit enter. I install these themes. Okay, I need to use this one. So create a theme provider. So I need to create a theme provider. You guys see that is under the components. So I mean that's inside the components. I need to create the theme provider. So I just copy this name, right? So right click and copy this name, and this is a components. So this is UI, right? But I need to create under the component. So I right click over that components and creating a new file and theme provider.tsx. I just hit enter. So here I just use this copy, use client, and we are importing something, right? So okay, I just paste it and see here. Okay, so I am using the React so theme provider as the next theme provider. So without further ado, let's follow other instruction and see how it works. The third one, add the theme provider to your root layout. So as of now, you guys see we work with the page.tsx, but there's another thing called layout.tsx. So here they have mentioned, so under the body tag, theme provider, right? So we need to copy this one and under the body, right? So here under the body above the children, and yeah, I need to end this tag below the children. Okay, so I need import, right? So I just click here and I just see, okay, at a import from components theme provider. Okay, okay, it's got imported. Now our application supported the dark mode and light mode, and refresh. There's no option user can change the dark mode or light mode, right? So because of that, right, so what we need to do, we need to provide a button to the user where the user can like select dark mode or light mode. I just going to create one div. So in the div, just see the example how they provided, right? So just click here and light and system. I mean by default my system running in the dark mode. So that's what system mean. It's taking that the your computer system theming. So and you can select the other theming as well. Okay, I just click the code. In the code you guys see they are importing the drop down menu. This is a different component. We have done everything in the layout, right? I just close the layout. So now we won't work with that page.tsx. Here, like I know need this use client. What about the React? So I haven't imported the React. Better to copy from the React from here to here. I just copy and paste it like this. I'm getting one error. I know why I'm getting this error. Components UI drop down menu, right? As of now, there is no drop down menu in our UI. We need to import component. So drop down menu. Let's see where is the drop down. A, B, C, D, right? Date picker dialog. Yeah, here drop down menu. So I just click the installation. So those who don't know what is a drop down menu, just click the example. If you click here, like this is a drop down menu, right? Okay, so okay, without further ado, just click the installation. I'm going to install this drop down menu because I'm going to give a user this kind of pop-up to select the theme. So just go to the code and paste this command. So you guys see now the drop down menu got installed. So now it's correct. So I am getting the error for the button because I am importing in two places. So better to delete the top one because the bottom one is fine. Okay, the error is gone. So now again I am going to this dark mode here. Just click the dark mode. Okay, I need to click the code. Okay, so here I need to import. So you guys, I already import this one, right? So below, okay, below I need to copy this one and paste under this toast. Okay, use theme and drop down menu, right? So I just copy this NDR return. Okay, I just copy it. So I paste under this div tag. Okay, it's got imported. I'm running the server again. So it's running currently. I'm going to this application. Okay, it's got changed. So by default it's got changed. I'm just refreshing this one. Okay, so again I'm giving some warning. Where are the sun class? Yeah, okay, it's terrible. I'm going to the dark mode again. Great, let's see some other components here. And before that, if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe and give your support. This is the only help I am requesting from you guys. And so if you like, and you can comment like what kind of videos you want. In future, I'm going to create some kind of full stack videos based on similar ideas to complicated ideas. So please make sure to subscribe and give me support. So I'm going to that Shadcn page. I'm going to use the date picker here, right? So date picker. So let's see, I just click this date picker. Okay, I click 6, right? So it's perfect, right? So just see other example in the date picker. Date picker is it's a one we used previously. Date range picker. So here like okay, I got it. Here to here. I mean this kind of UI is very helpful when you are generating kind of a like SaaS, right? I mean the building system, right? User can able to select different date range and they can able to see the report, right? Okay, this is good. Okay, once I press a submit, it's showing some pop-up, right? So submitted the following values, right? Date of birth. Okay, I got it. So let's implement this one into our application. We will put in this place, right? That so to use this one, I'm going to this UI and here I'm creating one div, right? This is for like our what is that thing like date picker, right? So okay, just click the date picker and the installation. So see the installation instruction for the popover, right? So what is popover and the calendar components? So just click the popover. Let's see what is this. Okay, so let's see example. What is popover? Okay, I got it. I think like as of now it's showing some other things, but if you are date picker, the date picker will come like this. I got it. So I'm going to install this one. I copy this one, the npm. Okay, so now I'm going to stop this server and I just type sudo and paste it. Okay, I install this one. Okay, without further ado, I just click back, and now I want to install this calendar components. Okay, just calendar, I just copy this one, npm and sudo and paste it. Hit enter. Now I imported the two things. Okay, now I just click the code. Okay, so here this is a code we used to generate this UI, the preview UI. So we will do the same thing. Just click the code, and this is a new thing we use, something called sort. This is for the validation, guys. Sort and the calendar icon format and use form. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, so I'm going to copy this first imports. Okay, I go into the UI and paste it here. Okay, this is showing there because we have in import this sort. So I just copy this sort, and I'm going to this Google and search npm sort. Okay, the first one I just click. Okay, okay, again there's no dark mode for this npm, right? So here TypeScript first schema validation with the static type inference. Okay, so I just copy. I'm going here and just type sudo because I need to install this one. Okay, okay, we haven't used, that's what is asking to remove, right? So anyhow, like we install this one. Okay, react hook form. Okay, that's come with the react, we no need to worry about that one. Okay, so now I'm going to here like, and I'm going to import this one. Okay, just copy. Okay, okay, guys, I no need this button and button, right? So anyhow, I copy and delete it later. I just copy the entire things. Okay, I can copy from here, right? So okay, okay, I just copy it and paste it under here. Okay, so again I'm getting the button because I already imported. I'm going to delete the button here and just keep it in the bottom. Okay, so form. So we have in imported form, right? So why form is necessary? You guys see, this is a form component, right? I mean the date picker and the button, this is a form. So we need to install the form as well. So where is A B C D E D D D? Okay, D E F, right here, form. So in the form, I need to install the form, right? So I just go here, click the installation and click the npm. Okay, I just sudo and paste it. Hit enter. Okay, it's got installed. So you guys see the errors gone, and now okay, now again I'm going to this date picker here and form, right? So here. Okay, I imported that form schema as well here, right? So now I just copy this one, and I'm going to inside this like our function hooks. So I paste it and I just put here. Okay, I paste it here. So I just copy this one and paste it here. This is a function, and below I am copying the endf form. So I just copy the endf form. Okay, I copy it. I'm go to that again. Go to this page, and this is a place I guys already mentioned. I'm going to add this the form, right? So that's all. I'm going to run this one. Sudo npm run dev. It's great. So let's see how it works. Date picker. Wow, it's working awesome. And if I click submit, I will get this one. And if I press the hello, I will get this one. So now I want to tell something you guys. So in case if I want to use a different theme, right? So just go to this official page and I just click themes and select. For now I am going to use this one, and the border radius is a 1, right? So if you click customizable, it's 1. Just click the copy code. So then what I want to do is I just copy this code, and now I am going to the global.css, and here so I need to replace this one. Okay, I delete this one, I replace it. If I go back to that website, see, it's currently in that blue color, like button color. It's got changed, and the radius also got changed. So this is awesome, right? So this is how you can customize these themes in your Shadcn project. in future I'm going to create a lot of things at the same time. So currently I'm doing the freelancing, so if you wish to like to give a project to me, and you can contact me. So that's all guys, and again make sure to subscribe and give me a support guys, and thank you so much.